Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to get more diamonds in my perfect hotel in 2025. Whether you're trying to unlock premium upgrades, hire faster staff, or just want to speed up your hotel empire, diamonds are the key. So, let's break down the smartest way to get them. First off, the most coincident way to earn free diamonds is by watching ads. In the game, you'll often see the diamond icon pop up with video offer. Watching these quick ads can net you 5 to 10 diamonds at the time, and they add up fast if you're consistent. Next, keep an eye on the daily rewards. Logging in every days give you a chance at free diamonds as a part the streak bonus. Make it a habit so you will get stack them up without spending any time. Another great trick is completing a missions. Head to your missions or tasks tab and check for specific goals like cleaning a certain number of rooms or earning a set amount of cash. This often rewards you a diamonds once completed. Now, if you are playing across multiple hotels, don't ignore the earlier ones. Fully upgrading everything in previous locations sometimes trigger achievement-based diamonds closes, especially when you hit 100% in a certain stats. If you're willing to invest real money, the game offers small bundles and diamond packs. Just be careful, don't overspend. Stick to discounted offers or special events where you get bonus diamonds for your purchases. Finally, keep an eye out for limited time events. These are usually packed with a way to win diamonds by completing them chains. Don't miss them when they drop. And that's how you can build a diamond stash fast in my perfect hotel without wasting time or money. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, drop your own diamond earning tips in the comments, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any mobile games tutorials and cheats. So see you in next time.